In this video, I'll show you how to improve your local SEO using Google Business Profile in 2026. Optimizing your profile can help your business appear higher in Google Search and Google Maps, making it easier for local customers to find you. First, claim and verify your Google Business Profile if you haven't already. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, website, business hours, and category are accurate and up to date. Consistent business information across all online platforms is essential for better local rankings. Next, upload high-quality photos of your storefront, products, services, and team. Add detailed business descriptions using natural keywords that describe what your business offers. Publish regular Google Business Profile posts to share updates, promotions, events, or new products with potential customers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave genuine reviews and always respond professionally to both positive and negative feedback. Reviews play an important role in building trust and improving local search visibility. Finally, monitor your performance section regularly to see how customers find your business and which actions they take. Use this data to improve your profile and attract more local customers over time. That's how to improve local SEO with Google Business Profile in 2026. If this guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Google Business Profile tutorials. Thanks for watching.